This is AB from B&H, and today we're looking at Zoom's new F1, a lightweight, flexible field recorder that enables you to record high-resolution audio up to 24-bit 96K. When you purchase the F1, you actually have a choice of two different configurations. First, there's the F1 SP, which includes the Zoom SGH6 mono shotgun microphone and an SMF1 shock mount. The shock mount attaches easily to your camera's hot shoe and helps reduce unwanted contact noise while recording location sound, dialogue, and more. The second available bundle is the Zoom F1 LP, which also includes Zoom's LM-F1 omnidirectional lav microphone, which I'm wearing right now. This is great for interviews or any other close-up dialogue applications, and as you can see, the F1 has a compact, low-profile design that makes it easy to attach to belts and waistbands, or fit inside a pocket for concealment. The model you choose will really be determined by what your recording needs happen to be. At some point in this video, we will switch back and forth between the lav audio and shotgun audio, so you can hear the difference. Also, we're not using any additional gear for this recording. That way, you get an accurate representation of what the mics and the F1 sound like out of the box. Before we dive in, some of you are probably saying, hey, I already have a great portable field recorder. Why should I even consider the F1? Well, this is really the first field recorder Zoom has designed to function equally well as either a recorder for up-close interviews via its lav system or a camera-mounted recording option for videographers using a shotgun mic. You can basically bring one F1 unit with you to handle multiple tasks. There are some other considerations as well, which make the F1 an attractive option for field recording. First, it's compatible with all of Zoom's 10-pin attachments, so if you need something beyond a simple mic-in option, for example, you can choose from any one of the available recording capsules from Zoom, including the SSH6 stereo shotgun mic, the XYH6 stereo XY capsule with adjustable capsules, the MSH6 stereo mid-side capsule with adjustable stereo width, the XYH5 stereo XY capsule with shock-mounted microphones, and of course, the EXH6 dual combo input capsule. The other two features Zoom includes are test tone and sound marker, which are also found on Zoom's H1N. Test tone allows you to send a signal from the F1's phone out jack to your DSLR to help you properly adjust the incoming audio level for recording. The sound marker function generates half-second tone signals when recording starts and stops. When these signals are sent to the camera input, it allows for easily synchronizing audio and video later at the editing stage. On the right side of the unit, you'll see a power switch and a micro SD card slot. Just in case you're wondering, the F1 is compatible with micro SD and micro SDHC cards, up to 32 gigabytes in size. To turn the F1 on and off, you simply slide and hold the power switch for a couple seconds. You'll notice that there's also a hold position. This disables the buttons on the top of the unit to prevent your talent, or lack thereof, from interfering with the F1 while recording. Moving to the top of the unit, there's a 1.25-inch monochrome LCD display designed to ensure visibility, even in bright sunlight. There are also 4 buttons directly under the display: record format, low cut, limiter, and record level. The record format allows you to select from several MP3 or WAV formats, the highest being 320 kbps for MP3s or 96K 24-bit for WAV files. The low-cut filter gives you the option to roll off 80, 120, or 160 Hz. There is a limiter, which Zoom says will pretty much prevent any clipping. However, there are only 2 options, on and off. And while engaging the limiter certainly boosts the signal and keeps it from clipping, it also introduces a bit more noise than when not in use. Finally, the record level button provides you with a series of input levels from low to high plus, with several steps in between. There's also an auto record level that sets the gain automatically. The bottom of the unit contains the line in port, which is where my lav is plugged into, and a 1/8-inch stereo headphone output jack. On the left side of the F1 is a micro USB port, which allows you to transfer files from an SD card to the computer, or to use the F1 as a USB audio interface for convenient recording directly to your computer. There are also volume controls for the headphone jack and a battery compartment for 2 AAA batteries, which are included when you purchase the F1. I found the cover of the battery compartment to be a bit temperamental, especially when you're trying to close it securely, so you really want to make sure you take your time when closing that compartment. Other than that, the F1 feels very solid, and it's amazing that Zoom was able to fit so many useful features in a recorder that can easily fit in your pocket. Let's now take a listen to the difference in sound between the lav and shotgun mics. Certainly, with more time and critical placement, you would be able to yield even greater results. Please make sure you have headphones on for more critical listening. The shotgun mic is recording to the F1 and the camera. This way, you have a safety track when you're recording your audio. The lav mic is recording to the F1 that's in my pocket. Both recorders have the exact same settings. This way, we maintain some consistency throughout the recording. As you can see, the F1 is a versatile, compact field recorder that gives you the flexibility to capture professional audio in a variety of situations. Thanks for taking the time to check it out with me. I'm AB from B&H. See you next time.